Hi, this is how to build the baby box. We recommend doing this before class because it takes a few minutes. It's a little difficult, so having your students do it on their own might be a little too hard. We recommend instructors, you guys do this before class starts. Your baby box is going to come in two pieces. This larger piece is the bottom. This smaller piece is the top. You're going to open up these flaps. And then on one end, you want these edges to stay secured. You're just gonna kind of fold them up like this. Take the flap, push it over, and then you're gonna slide it against the edge to make the one side. Same thing for the other. Fold it up. Push the flap in, push it back so it is secure. That is the base of the baby box. The lid is very similar, just smaller. Make sure you don't rip these pieces off. Fold them up, push them up, fold the flap over, push it against the side to secure it. Up and over and secure it. Now you've got your base and your lid, and it's ready for students to use as a baby box to put their babies to sleep. And then we're also going to pretend and it is a bathtub for an activity as well. Thank you.